That's a lot of snow. It's kind of icy here. Look at this. Icy. And it's going to be kind of heavy snow to shovel. Yeesh. It's a little tricky coming down here, Coop. Go slowly. Slowly. Whoa. Whoa. Little face plant in her, Coop, huh? Very deep. Let's need snowshoes on out here. Well, the snowplows come. Morning. Okay, let's go this way. This is a lot better walking on the street like that smart lady, but it's just hard to get out here, right, Kooper? So it was like blizzard conditions last night when I walked Kooper. It was blowing really hard, and for very, very unusual thunder and lightning last night as well. But power is still on, so that's good news. You can see how heavy these trees are. These look like the ghost trees in Big White. Very, very similar. Truck here with a plough on the front, even struggling. There's a guy down there walking his dog with snowshoes on. That's the first. How heavy?
Oh, you should try.
There's a big snowplow coming. Let's get out of the way. That's a big plow. If I want to live in Montreal, could be worse. We don't get too much snow here in Toronto, but this one's a good one. So this could be challenging, huh, Kooper? How are we going to get over this? Yeah, Kooper is not amused. He's trying to get over this. He's stuck? I'm actually leaving him because he can't go anywhere. I've got to go and get my shovel here. Let me make a path for you, Kooper. How many inches is that, do you think? 8, maybe? 20 centimeters? It's not a foot. Less than a foot. Still a lot. It's going to take a while to shovel this today, I think. Got sweat going today, Kooper. You coming? Look, I've cleared some of the way for you. There you go. Do it all by yourself. Look at this. Right up to the front door. Yeah, good boy. Okay, let's go. Inside.